Welcome to TechRill, where AI becomes your teammate and coding becomes optional. In today's Vibe Coding episode, we will show how anyone, even without coding experience, can create a chatbot from an HR FAQ document using GitHub Copilot. Let us say your HR team has a long FAQ document covering everything from leave policies to benefit and internal tools. The challenge: team members constantly ask these questions over and over. So why not turn that FAQ into an interactive chatbot? One that gives instant answers 24/7, and you don't need to write complex backend logic to build it. In our case, we have this FAQ document with around 20 different questions. We are taking the first step as converting this FAQ document into a JSON format. Let me move to the Ask mode. Edit our FAQ document as the context file and asking Copilot to convert this FAQ document into JSON format with the suitable fields. Copilot converted the FAQ document into a JSON format with specified fields. Let us add this into a new file. Let me name it as faq.json. Now, as the next step, we are going to generate or build a chatbot based on this JSON file. This time, it may include multiple iterations and creation of multiple files. So we are moving to the agent mode. Asking Copilot to create a chatbot app for answering questions from the faq.json file. A simple prompt, just directing Copilot to generate a chatbot app based on the existing FAQ in JSON format. Copilot is simply creating a web-based chatbot with HTML, CSS and JavaScript stack. Copilot finished the implementation of the chatbot and it summarized the files created and the key features as part of the chatbot application development. And also it's provided guidelines for how to use it. If you are an HR member and doesn't know how to run this particular application, the guidance is provided by GitHub Copilot itself. So let us go ahead and launch our application using a live server. A quick and nicely created chatbot for our HR policies are here. Let us ask how to reset my password. It's provided the answer, and there are some quick questions like some questions related to payslip may be coming again and again, frequently requested queries kind of thing. Just click on that link. We are getting answer based on that. Copilot instantly built the chatbot with a chat area, logic to search through the JSON and return matching results. You can filter by keywords, display answers and even format categories, all without writing any JavaScript manually. Just as you saw, you have built a fully working FAQ chatbot. This is perfect for an HR team or a communication group or an internal IT where documentation already exists but discoverability is hard. Copilot lets you skip the code and go straight to value, turning static documents into interactive tools. So that is how you can create a working chatbot with just 2 simple prompts and an FAQ document. We will explore even more no-code and low-code AI use cases in upcoming videos. If this inspires you, hit subscribe and follow TechRill. Also, comment what will you vibe code next.